Anyone, even babies, can get money with this strategy, so just go and just follow these steps, okay? It is pretty easy, it is pretty profitable. You just have to follow a few simple steps and the money is yours. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First of all, connect to this website, which is called CPAGrip.com, and here is the place where you can get a lot of money, guys. This is the amount of money that I've got last week with this strategy, guys, so you can do the same. Of course, this works all around the world, wherever you come from. Just write me down in the comments. Maybe I can make some videos based on your specific region, but this website works everywhere, and there's a lot of money into it. So first of all, CPA Grip is a website which has a lot of these CPA offers, okay? And CPA stands for cost per action, okay? So you will get some money whenever certain people who follow your link execute certain action. And that action is pretty easy, guys. They just have to, for example, enter their email address and you get the money for it. So first of all, of course, just make yourself an account on this website, and that is done by completing some simple information about yourself. And this is very important, guys. This publisher type needs to be GPT, okay? This stands for Get Paid To. And those are the kind of offers that we're going to use today, okay? Those offers can get you a lot of money, so I have chosen those in order to show you this way. Now, when you log in inside, this is your dashboard, okay? First of all, what you can see is this chat window, and everyone who is ever involved on this website is on this chat. You can even chat here, of course, but you have to earn a minimum $25 before participating in the public chat. And you can see these messages. For example, this Malai guy has earned $8,000 all time with these 4,000 leads. I'm going to show you how you can get those leads. And trust me, it is going to be very easy and it'll get you a lot of money. For starters, you're just going to be like this Osh guy and you'll just get like $500 all time with 300 leads. When, for example, when the time passes, you'll get $1,000. And then, of course, you will scale your business in here, okay? It's going to be pretty easy. So the first step that you have to do is you have to click on Offer Tools here and click on these My Offers. Now, these offers are differentiated by the cost per action, okay? So, for example, you can see that this category here has email, zip, submit, and they have mobile install. Some of these have also CC card, that is credit card submit, but those are kind of hard to get, okay? Because people have to enter their credit card information, and not all people are going to do that, okay? And this is the easiest one. Email, zip, submit. It is the most easiest one, but of course you can get $2 per each one of those emails. So for example, if you just make something like this, which is 750 PayPal gift card, and you just put it on the internet and you get some traffic to it, well, people can enter the chance to get this 750 PayPal gift card from this website. And all that they have to do in order to participate, they have to enter their email address. And that's going to be pretty easy. And for each one of those emails, you will get $2, okay? And that's going to be pretty easy, guys, because people don't have to buy anything. They just have to enter their email address, guys. That's it. That's all that people have to do in order for you to get that money. And you see that you have a lot of these guys. People can also get PS5. Now you can see for each one of those emails, you will get $1.88. And my suggestion is that you take as much of these as you possibly can, okay? I'm going to show you also how you can get the traffic to your CPA links. And for example, you can just involve yourself maybe in this one. This is mobile install. So people have to install this on their mobile phone and you will get 54 cents. Okay, so you can choose whichever one of these you like. You have, of course, these net CR, and this 14.20% is showing a good return rate. Okay, it's a good return rate, but of course, this one is also good. Act now for 750 PayPal gift card, so we can use this for our today's example. Okay, so now you have to make yourself an account and take this link. Okay, you take that link and we can proceed. And of course, guys, hit that subscribe button when you can. Thank you. you. So guys, what you can do is you can go to Pinterest, okay? And you can make a pin on Pinterest because Pinterest has a lot of traffic online. And for example, you can just make something like this, and a lot of people are gonna see that, and a lot of people are gonna click on the link that you're gonna provide them with, okay? So this is the thing. You will get this link on your pin, and that's what's gonna get people over here. So my suggestion would be to make yourself an account on Pinterest. Of course, it's gonna be pretty easy, and then you want to make a pin here, okay? Just like these people are doing. They just, for example, and just take a look at this one. This is the exact example that we're gonna do. So enter to win $100 Amazon gift card. So this gift card will go to the most luckiest person online, okay? But this person is most surely gonna get $1 or $2 based on those emails, okay? So what you have to do in here, you can just go and you can just go to your profile and you can just click on the plus icon and you can create a pin, okay? So here you will add a destination link, and that's gonna be the link which you will get from here, okay? So you will get this link, you will copy and paste that link in here, and of course you will just add your title. The title, you can of course copy this one, just copy this one, and then you can just paste it in here. And now what we have to do, because this is after all Pinterest, guys, you now have to add a picture over here, okay? You can of course go to google.com and you can just type in PayPal, or you can just go to images over here, and of course you will get a lot of these images which you can download for free. Alternatively, you can go to pixabay.com, and you know that Pixabay has a lot of these free pictures for you. You can just type PayPal and you can just hit enter, and you will get a lot of these PayPal things. You can just download that for free, and then you can paste it in here. And the reason, guys, why I told you that you get Pinterest for your traffic generator, just take a look at this. If you go on a similar web, guys, you have the information, all that you need. 1 billion people are visiting this month, and each month they have 1 billion people. In fact, in month of July there was 800 million people, and now in month of August they had 1 billion people on their website, guys. That's a good rating, guys. 41% of those are coming from the United States, and that's what we need. 1 billion people. That's the traffic that you need, and you can take advantage of it. So just go and grab that picture, guys. You can even just type in gift card. Maybe you can just do it like that, and you will get a lot of these pictures. Now you just have to paste it in here, add the destination link, of course, add the title, tell everyone what your pin is about. You can do this optionally, and you can see that this is gift cards. You can just put it like that and click and save, and then it's on, guys. Then you make $2 for each one of those, and of course, I've told you guys, the more of these you do, the more your chances for profit are, okay? So just be a hard worker, guys. Do it for yourself, and it's gonna be really profitable. Of course, there is different types of traffic for different kinds of these gift cards. For example, PayPal is good with Pinterest or maybe Instagram, but of course, this PS5 now is good for some gaming forums or something like that. You can figure that out. Just take action, and I will catch you later.